everyone, this is Kathy Lean with BK Crypto Crusher's top 10 crypto charts of the week. Now, taking a look at some of the trading signals we had on Crypto Crusher this week, we didn't have too much because a lot of the big moves happened previously, but we did have a buy signal on Ethereum where we went long Ethereum. It didn't quite get to our profit target, and now it's moved lower a little bit, but we're still in the trade, and we have a stop below the key 4,000 level, which is really where the stop should be at 39.56. Targeting 46.95 on the top side. A bit ambitious, of course. It did get as high as 44.88, so we'll see how that moves. We're also long Binance Coin. And we went long Binance Coin, and we are still long on the trade, so we'll see how that works out as well. In terms of the other coins, Solana hit the profit target last week, moved to break even, but they're really, a lot of the crypto coin tokens just basically consolidated for the past week, so there hasn't been too much in the way of new direction. So in terms of the technical outlook, let me just go to my top 10 crypto charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, as I said, consolidated price action. It looked like it was going to rally on Friday during the beginning of the day, but it ended up much closer to its lows than its highs, which is not good news for Bitcoin. Now, it's holding above the 200 SMA, which is good, but moving averages are important, but key levels are more important. And you can see that it's 47,000 or 47,011, 111 low is the key level to watch. If we close below that, then we could kind of melt down back towards 42,000. So I'd be quite careful of that because the daily chart does not look good. Weekly charts show a little bit of support below current levels, which is also pretty much where the 200 SMA is, and that's why it's so important. Ethereum also rolling over like Bitcoin, support right here at the 100 SMA, which pretty much coincides with about 3,900. I don't like the way it's trading. I think it's starting to move lower, but bids came in at 3,900. If it closes or drops below 3,900, we could see a revisit of these lows here. And it tends to be what the tokens like to do. Like over here, we had a sharp meltdown, a bit of a recovery, and then eventually kind of continue to melt down lower. Binance Coin just kind of consolidating. In this case, we have a triangle forming that kind of a bit of a wide triangle depending upon where you draw it from. And, it's kind of primed for a breakout. I think that it's just a matter of time before we see which direction this breaks out in. It's most likely going to mirror the movements in some of the other tokens, and I think there's a good chance, just following those directions. Although it does look like it could bounce though because of its relative performance on Friday. So Lana, it broke below the 100 SMA, which we don't like. This is the lowest level we've seen it since October. And with this breakdown, which also broke down below these lows here on December 4th, as well as December 6th, it looks like we're going to get down to this kind of congestion zone here, or, somewhere around here, I think, which is about 146.75. So we could see further weakness in Solana. Litecoin, also below all of the major moving averages, 20 crossing below the 100. And at this point, support's at 140, and it looks like it wants to get down there. Luna also, coming off of its highs, support at about 57.50. It looks like the bears have given up control. Ripple, below all of the major moving averages, 20 crossing below the 200 in this case. And, support a little bit at 75 cents, more significant by 65 cents, but it does look like, this kind of indecision candle after an attempted rally suggests that we could see further weakness. Doge, lower lows, lower high, not good news. Also looks like it wants to move lower. Polkadot, below all the major moving averages, but I like the fact that it's kind of flat on Friday, but still, no reason to turn bullish this. Cardano, same story, 120 is the key support level. Shiba Inu, this one's got a very clear triangle pattern here. and triangle can be drawn from multiple levels at this case, and it's primed for a breakout. And I think obviously the value is very low, but I think that we may start to trickle higher to the top of the triangle. We'll have to see, but definitely looking for this consolidation to end this coming week. We've got a lot going on in the data calendar, from FOMC to retail sales, as well as a whole bunch of other central bank meetings, including ECB, Bank of England. So a lot going on, and I think that will take all of the cryptocurrencies out of their consolidative mode. If you want trade ideas from us on a regular basis, I encourage you to check out bkcryptocrusher.com, where every single day we scan the daily charts for new crypto coin trading opportunities.